Hello, so right now we are going to solve this error, digital envelope routines unsupported. So when I got this error, I began to browse for it, and the solutions I got was we have to uninstall node.js and then reinstall the previous version. So that was pretty much hectic for me. So I found a hack to restrict this error, and here's what I got. Let's first get the error. First, do the usual thing. When I write npm start, my server doesn't start, and I get this error. Yeah, this one. So how did I cope up with this error? So let me just add a statement here. This is the only line I entered here, and my error got removed. Let's run it again, and you will see that my development server is about to start, and let's let's just wait for it. Yep, it's compiled successfully, and it is my required page. So you see that one dangerous looking error was just removed in one line of code. So yeah, sometimes we just have to find a trick instead of just uninstalling and reinstalling it. So that's pretty much all from my side. Thank you and have a good day.